Welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Government machinery has no clue about number of Nigerians present in Goa. Only 19 registered. BJP calls the ruckus as fallout drugs mafia war. "24 hours after the Nigerians' death, police failed to nab culprit. Nigerians' rampage was to prove supremacy, says locals. Nigerians allege locals of murder. Congress NCP demand resignation of Parrikar as Home Minister. Vishwajit supports Parrikar. NGOs demand deporting Nigerians in 20 days. BJP slams Vijay after his comment calling this regime as government of Hijras. Vijay is a political pimp, treacherous politician, retorts Mahadev Naik. And Dempo Sports Club and Mohun Bagan settled for goalless draw. Five-time champions Dempo enter festive period placed 9th in I-League. Now the news in detail. BJP has called the Nigerian ruckus a fallout of war between drugs mafias in Goa. Sadly, neither Goa government nor Goa police are able to give the exact number of Nigerians residing in Goa. Surprisingly, only 90 Nigerians are registered with the State Foreign Registration Office. Presently, 52 Nigerians have been arrested and are sent to 14-day judicial custody. Parra village is known as the den of Nigerians indulged mainly in drugs trade. Government has no track of how many Nigerians are residing there. However, only 19 Nigerians are registered with the State Foreign Registration Office. They possess student visa, business visa, employment visa, medical visa and PIO. State BJP has accepted that the whole episode was a fallout of war between drugs mafia. BJP also claimed that the violent Nigerians were on rampage under the influence of drugs.
खूनपसून पळय जाला न्ही एक नायजेरियनाचो हो ह्याच कारणा लागून की हातून भितर सुप्रिमसी कोणाची आसी हातून भितर म्हणजे माफिया कोण आसचो हाच्या वेल्यान हो खून जाल्लो आसा. तुम्ही जर तांची जर शारीरिक क्षमता पळयले जर जायत द वे दे वर बिहेविंग दे वर वायल्ड एनिमल्स तांचे भितर जो जोश आशिल्लो तांचे म्हाका दिसता की तांचे भितर जे ड्रग्स आसात ते तांकां हे करपाक करताले ते मरून रस्त्यार पडल्यार पसून धांवना आशिल्ली इतली मानसीक स्थिती ह्या मानसीक स्थिती भितर जर तांकां अटॅक करून करचोच पडटालो तांकां मारचे पडटाले अरेस्ट करपाक वता जाल्यार.
Meanwhile, a senior officer of State Foreign Registration Office said that Nigerians are using many tactics to overstay in the state. They destroy their passports and give missing complaints intentionally to overstay. Officer further mentioned that Nigerians commit minor crimes with a motive to overstay in Goa as under trials. Goa government has deported 11 Nigerians since 2010. In the year 2010, 6 Nigerians, in 2011 and 12, 2 Nigerians each, and in 2013 only 1 Nigerian has been deported for overstaying in Goa. All 52 arrested Nigerians have been sent to 14 days judicial custody. 26 accused Nigerians have been lodged in Central Jail at Aguada and remaining 26 in Sada Jail at Vasco. Initially, jailer of Sada Jail denied to lodge these Nigerians due to security reasons, but after intervention of Home Ministry, accused Nigerians were sent to Sada Jail. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with Mukesh Kumar and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. On the other side, even after 24 hours, police have failed to solve the murder case of Nigerian national Obodo Uzoma Simon. Murder of Simon had ignited the clash between Nigerians and locals and later clash between locals and the police. But locals say this is a turf war to dominate drugs business in the area by eliminating opposition. On Thursday morning, Nigerians agitated on Porvorim Highway. They blocked the highway for almost 6 hours, making it inconvenient for smooth vehicular traffic. Nigerians were agitated over the murder of a Nigerian named Obodo Uzoma Simon, acting DIG, 4 SPs, 6 to 7 PIs and hundreds of policemen were on the field, but situation went out of control. Locals informed that Nigerians sell drugs to locals and few of the locals have died after consuming contaminated drugs. They further informed that when locals opposed Nigerians' drug trade, they turned violent and hit the locals. Currently, police is not clearing reason behind the murder of Obodo Uzoma Simon, but Nigerians allege that some local chased the victim over some verbal dispute and killed him. On the other hand, angry locals allege that Nigerians wanted to show their domination in the area, so they jammed the traffic, vandalized few shops at Porvorim and scuffled with police and locals. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Goans are agitated over the scuffle between the Nigerians, locals and the police. Political leaders and NGOs have criticized the government over failure in law and order situation. NCP has demanded resignation of Manohar Parrikar as Home Minister. NGOs have given a deadline of 20 days to deport all Nigerians staying illegally in Goa. On the other side, BJP has demanded inquiry on locals who unnecessarily blocked the Porvorim highway.
Within 1.5 hours सगळो विषय क्लियर जालो. तांकां ऑलरेडी थंयसल्यान पुलिसांनी डिस्पर्स केले, म्हापसा व्हरून डिटेन केले सुद्धा. ओके, बट ताज्या उपरांत जे 4 थंयसर जो बंद केलो गेलो तो कित्याक हो कळना. स्थानिक म्हणच्या पेक्षा थंयसरले बाकीचे जे कोण लोक आशिल्ले तांकां अननेसेसरी गोंयच्या लोकांक, गोंयच्या जनतेक प्रॉब्लेम क्रिएट करपाक जाय आशिल्ले. आमी जे परत परत म्हणटा म्हणजे खंय तरी ड्रग नेक्सस आनी बाकीच्या लफड्यांनी जे हे लोक आसात अशा लोकांक सुद्धा म्हणजे अननेसेसरी कितलेशेच लोक थंय दिसताले. तांकां गरज नासतना तेंच्यांनी जो 4 वरांचेर जो ट्राफिक जाम केलो, लोकांक परत 2 वरां ट्राफिक जाम करून दवरले. खरें म्हटल्यार तेंच्यांनी तांकां डिटेन केला आसतना आनी अननेसेसरी म्हणजे म्हापसा पुलीस स्टेशनान धरला आसतना तांकां पर्वरी हाड म्हणून जी झगडी करीत बसले ते खरें म्हटल्यार ते चुकीचे आशिल्ले.
We don't want any action on any individual person.
कायदो हातान घेतला.
Who has taken law in their hand, they have to take the.
ह्या इन्सिडेंटचो कोण फायदो करपाक गेले जर जाय, इट इज नॉट ऑन द जनरल पब्लिक हू वर हेल्पिंग द police force to get out of this. All those who are creating problems for investigations, एखाद्या वेळेस तशें म्हणपाक शकता.
If we have to save our face internationally, as our president has said, the only alternative is for the chief minister to resign and go home, so that we get the message that the man who is incapable of controlling law and order has been replaced.
हांव मुख्यमंत्र्याने मागता आमच्या NCP डिमांड्स that मुख्यमंत्री असफल जालो, मुख्यमंत्री गोंयची कायदो हाताळूंक शकलो ना आनी तेजो स्वता त्या लोकांचेर पुलिसेचेर विश्वास ना म्हणून ताका शेवट ताका वयचो पडलो त्या जाग्यार आनी तेवूय सुद्दां कांय जालें ना. ही तेणें स्वता जबाबदारी आपल्याचेर घेवन तेणें राजिनामा दिवपाची आनी हे आमची राष्ट्रवादीची मागणी आहा.
काल जेन्ना पुलीस आयले, they were not able to act on them. There is a politician, there is a police, and the nexus is between the builders, the drug peddlers, the gamblers, and the madkawalas, everything.
And that no Goan should be booked for this because we have helped the police in saving their lives. जोरी तर गोंयकार ना ते पुलिसा मार पडटा आनी तेंचे सारके दुर्दशा जावपाची.
जे करप्ट नेचराचे जे मनीस आहेत तांकां समज ते इमिजिएटली डिपोर्ट करना, वी आर गिविंग देम मॅक्सिमम ऑफ 15 days to 20 days. नाजाल्यार आमी सगळे एक जावन रस्त्याचेर येतले आनी गव्हर्मेंटाक आमी फोर्सफुली मागणी करतले की हे सगळे करप्ट जे आसाय पळय एक्सपेक्ट्रेट्स तांकां सगळ्यांक भायर उडया म्हणून.
BJP has slammed Vijay Sardesai over his comment calling BJP-led government as government of hijras. The angry BJP legislators called Vijay a hijra. They have termed him a political pimp. Mahadev Naik says it is an insult of the assembly to have a Dagabaz member like Vijay in the house. Moreover, they blamed Congress government for allowing Nigerians to stay in Goa.
हो विजय सरदेसाई इजोडा आसा. ह्या इजड्याच्या सहवासान ताजे म्हाका दिसता चडशें आयुश्य गेल्लें आसतलें म्हणून ताका हें सरकार इजडी दिसता. गेल्या सरकारान तो बडवेगिरी करतालो. खुबशे मंत्री तेज्या घरा कडेन वयताले, ते कित्याक दलाली करून वयताले काय आनी कित्याक ताका चड खबर आसतली. कारण 2007 जे एफिडेवीट विजयान सादर केल्ले इलेक्शन कमिशनाक ते सादारण 5 कोटीचे आशिल्ले. 2012 ताजी ते टोटल तेणे हिशोब दिला तो 25 कोटीचो आसा. हेजी चवकशी जावपाची गरज आसा. तेच बरोबर शेतान जे एक अतिक्रमण करून तांणी कसलेय नियम धाब्यार न बसयता स्वताचो बंगलो बांदले कडेन आसा. आमदार जे आसात ते खुटेवयले माकड म्हणून अशी बेजबाबदार वक्तव्यां जे आसा ती खंयच्या आमदाराच्या तोंडां सोबनात. आमी आमच्या पक्षाक प्रामाणीक आसात. आमी हे वटेन ते वटेन उडी मारपाचो केन्ना प्रयत्न करना. पूण विजया सारको एक दगाबाज मनीस, धोकेबाज मनीस, कावेबाज मनीस ह्या गोंयच्या विधानसभेन पावले हें दुर्दैव आहे गोंयकारांचें. गेली 8 वर्सां हे नायजेरियन आमच्या किनारी भागांत वास्तव्य करून आसात आनी हे स्वता आदले गृहमंत्री बाबरवी नायकान मान्य केल्लें आसा. आज हे जे नायजेरियन जे इतले शेफारले ताका जबाबदारी आसा ही आदल्या काँग्रेस सरकाराची. जे कितें ड्रगा संदर्भान वारंवार चर्चा जाताली ताजेर वेळीच अशे उपाय घेवना.
सरकाराचे रिएक्शन आणि पुलिसाचे रिएक्शन एक मॅस्क्युलिन फर्मनेस म्हळ्यार दादल्यांचे जे करारीपण ठामपण जे दादल्यांचे आहा तेंय तातूंत पुलिसाच्या रिएक्शनान दिसूंक ना. आनी बायलांची जी संवेदनशीलता आसता ओ शिटूकपण जे एस्ट्यूटनेस ऑफ द फेमिनीन जेंडर हें दिश्टी पडूंक ना. म्हणून हांवें ताजेर तें कॅटेगरायज केलें की हे नायदर मॅस्क्युलिन नॉर फेमिनीन हे मदले खंयचे तरी म्हणून. पूण आज म्हाका दिसता एक जर विचार करूंक गेलो जाल्यार अ मोर करेक्ट एनालिसीस वूड हॅव बीन ओ छंड सरकार म्हणून इम्पॉर्टंट रिएक्शन जालें हें सरकाराचें. दॅट वूड हॅव बीन अ बेटर डिस्क्रिप्शन. पूण म्हाकाय बी जे नपुसंक आहात जे न्यूटर जेंडर आहा तांचो अपमान करपाचो ना, हिजड्यांचोय बी अपमान करपाचो ना. आनी हांव आतां भाशा तज्ञा कडेन सोदतां हें खंयचें उतर करेक्ट आसा तें. पूण एक सगळ्या गोंयकारांक खबर आहा की सरकाराचें रिएक्शन वॉज सॉफ्ट.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.